Hey guys, it's me Kane again for another Valentine's Day look. This one's a little bit more on the creative side and it involves a cute little heart eye on one side. So I'm taking a fuchsia lip liner and just kind of mapping out where I want that heart. Super cute, love it. Then I'm gonna do kind of the makeup around that. So I start off by doing a kind of orangey peach corrector under
Shanel.
eye, and then I go in with a brighter concealer to highlight. Then I go ahead and blend that out and set my contour in. And then I put my contour in. So I go in and map out the contour with a darker shade of concealer, and then taking my foundation brush, just go ahead and buff that out. Then I bake underneath the contour so you get a really nice crisp edge. Just ultra sculpts her face and makes the perfect contour. Then I go in with a brow color, just a little bit to define, and then I carve out and place my concealer on the lid. I usually always use concealer as a base, it's my favorite. Then I go in with a light fuchsia shade and just buff that in the crease. And taking that same concealer, I go ahead and carve the lid out and set it with a light eyeshadow. Placing a little bit of that fuchsia shade underneath the outer corner of the eye, and then lining the lid with a black gel liner and lashes to finish it all off. Then I go ahead and fill in my heart with a water-based paint. And then I go in with a darker eyeshadow to contour the eye area. We add even more depth by adding a little bit of black and setting the lid with a shimmering pink, as well as putting some eyeliner on and some lashes. Next, we dust away our contour and add a lip. This is just a full coverage gloss, and there you have it. It's very Kiss vibes. It's very cool, fun, nice, fun Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoy. Till next time, see you again. Bye.